This is the picture of the mango machine. It is the only piece of machinery required to make a rubber sheet. The block of rubber isn't easily stepped so that it is thin enough for it to be rolled by the mango machine. The rubber sheet is manually rolled using the mango machine several times to make it thinner. By gushing out the water, it makes it easier for the sheets to dry. The finished rubber sheets are hung to dry for up to a week. The dry rubber sheet is golden brown. Then they are bagged waiting to be sold to the middleman.